The Raspberry Pi active cooler with fan, and you can see that there is a connection for the fan to be connected to the Raspberry Pi board, and there is a peel away sheath which you'll have to remove. Peel away sheath which can be just removed like that. It has been removed. This is the place where you have to attach the connection of the Raspberry Pi fan. There is a cover here which has to be moved. I have removed that cover and kept it here. This is one spring connector, and there is another one on the other side also. This is one hole for the spring connector, and another hole is here. Now the spring connector is fixing the cooler there. Spring connector fixing the cooler. The power supply to the fan has also been connected over there. Now I am switching on the system. You can see that the red LED has come, which has become green after that, and now the fan has started moving once, and it is now moving continuously. Intermittently it is moving. Now the fan is not moving. That's a controlled fan.